Here we have Motorola E6 Play, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, not phone reader but settings, locate and open security and location, and go to the advanced options. Now click on SIM card lock, and here you can smoothly change it by tapping on change SIM PIN. And at first just enter the current PIN that you have, and as you can see now it is time to enter a new one. So let me pick for example 2580, click on OK, and 2580 again, tap on OK. That's it. As you can see, it has been changed. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.